How to change language on Netflix. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can change your Netflix language. So let's get started. You can see that Netflix is default in English, and if you are from another country or you just want to use Netflix in any other language, we can actually change the language of our Netflix account here. So how to do that? Of course, open up your netflix.com. Once you open it up, then this is where you will get. Now you can do this within an app too, but if you cannot, then make sure to open up Netflix in a browser and then you will be able to do so. So first of all, we will go to the profile option right here and go to manage profiles. Now, keep in mind that each profile can has its own language. For example, if one profile is in French, then the other can be in English, and each profile can has its own language. So once you open up manage profiles, then you will get all of the profiles here. Let's go ahead and change the language for this one right here. To change it, you will click on this edit option, and then we have our profile details here. So you can see it says language, and in language it says English. So this is my profile language, and let's go ahead and change it. So I'm gonna go ahead and change it to Italian. Now, once I have selected the language, whatever language you want to go for, you can see we have a lot of different options available, and we can change Netflix into all of these different languages. So I have selected Italian. Now I'm gonna click on save, click on done, and there you go. You can see my language has been changed. The shows, of course, the name of the shows are what they are, but you can see right here it says something else in Italian, and we have home, series, TV, film, and then we have other options which is in Italian, and most of the shows name are also going to be in Italian now because I changed my language. You can see this is all Italian. Now my Netflix is operating in another language. So this is how you can go ahead and change the language of any of the profiles on Netflix. Let's go ahead and change it back to English. So again, I will go to manage profile, go to edit. In language, I'm gonna select English. Click on save and it will save your language. Click on done. And there you go. My Netflix is back in English. So yeah, guys, this is how you change a language on a Netflix. I hope that I was a big help to you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.